Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am explaining how to uninstall a program in very easy steps. You can just follow 2 steps and uninstall the program. So I'm going to uninstall this program. Open the run and type appwiz.cpl, appwiz.cpl. Then it will open the uninstall or change program window, which is under the control panel programs. And just type the first 2 letters of the program which you would like to uninstall. In our case, it's WA sign pro PDF. So I'm going to choose there and right click and click on uninstall, or you can click the uninstall option on the top. So just wait for the steps to complete. That's it. Click on quit. Now the program has been uninstalled. You can follow the same step for other software also. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care.